ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను ఆయన కోసం ఏదో చెప్పడం స్టోరీ. ఇంకా ఇది వర్కౌట్ కావట్లేదని చెప్పి ఇంకా కూర్చొని సార్ ఇది బేసిక్లీ కదా ఐ జస్ట్ సాట్ డౌన్. I said, this is what the story is. ఇప్పుడు నేను కరెక్ట్లీ బికాస్ విల్ బి యూస్ టు అ ప్రాపర్ నరేషన్ కదా, మంచి రైటర్లు మంచిగా యాక్టింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ చెప్తారు కదా స్టోరీ. మనం అదే అలా చెప్తారు. నేను ఇంకా సగం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏదో ఏదో అలా చెప్పి ఇంకా ఐ వాజ్ ఫుల్లీ ప్యాక్ అయింది అప్పుడు. And I still remember. I think uncle called, like that uncle called after the narration. He called Ashwinodkar after the narration, and he said, అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వచ్చాడు బాబు వచ్చాడు చెప్పాడు, ఏం సరిగ్గా అర్థం కాలేదు కానీ చేస్తాను సినిమా చేస్తాను, నచ్చాడు చేస్తాను సినిమా అన్నాడు. I liked him. I don't know what he said.
Loved you.
Yeah. Then he fully enjoyed on sets. ఒక 2 రోజులు షూట్ చేసాం కానీ fully we had such a good time.
Yeah, he also wrote, his character is very beautiful in that. The way he talks, his walk, his everything beautiful.
That whole shawl and that look and all was his idea only.
Okay.
నాకు ఇంకా was not very experienced also. ఏదో వెళ్ళాము as usual first timers కదా మనం. ఫస్ట్ టైమర్ కాస్ట్యూమ్ డిజైనర్, ఫస్ట్ టైమర్ నేను, ఫస్ట్ టైమర్ ఏడి అందరు మేమే వెళ్ళాం. వెళ్ళి ఏదో చెప్తుంటే ఆయన ఇలా కాదు ఒక చూపి ఇలా ట్రై చేద్దాం అని చెప్పి ఆయన అవతారం నుంచో ఏదో ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ చూపించి ఇలా ఇస్తాం ఆ షాల్ ఇలా పట్టుకుంటా షాల్ అండ్ ఆల్. వాస్ లైక్ ఓ కూల్, ఓకే గ్రేట్, ఇట్స్ అమేజింగ్ టు గెట్ సో మచ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నుంచి. And that look is still one of my favorite as well. So natural it looks on, sir. Yeah. That is good. So that was that. Everyday Mahanati this was the. So what is
tell me about Deepika? How did you convince her to such a beautiful lady, superstar, biggest superstar?
Yeah.
To have a tummy and whatever. I thought she'll say what with the whole film with stomach and all. How did you convince her?
Deepika definitely oka 2-3 narrations to and fro we had. I think she really was. I think there were 2 things. I think the story definitely, but more than that, I think it was she loved Mahanati and she loved you. She wanted to work with you and Mahanati. So she's like, I'm going to work with Prabhas, who's so cool, biggest superstar, and I'm going to work with a guy who made Mahanati, who seems to know what he's doing. So you don't do kalpte, we can't go very wrong. ఏదో as usual ఏదో సగం చెప్తున్నాడు కథ బానే ఉందేమో. Let's see what we can do.
But with your narration skills now you're good, but at that time with your narration skills, how could you make Kamal sir, Amitabh Bachchan fall for you? What did you do? Chatapade ana chesara, black magic or something?
We did multiple narrations actually, everyone multiple narrations, but they all, what I feel was more than I think they could find some basic core connect with the whole thing. ఒక కోర్ ఏదో ఒక సోల్ ఉంది, ఏదో ట్రై చేస్తున్నాడు బాబు, ఏదో ఒక సోల్ ఉంది లోపల. దేర్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దట్ హ్యాస్ టు హ్యాపెన్ ఇన్ ది స్టోరీ. సో దే టుక్ సమ్ టైమ్ డెఫినెట్లీ టు హియర్ ఇట్ అగైన్ ఆర్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ whether they can really pull it off, because so many times we say so many things, but can you pull it off is a question that actors will obviously have. So I think at some point when they got confident, I think that was definitely, I think Kamal sir, I think our interview lo chustunna, Kamal sir was definitely the longest of the lot, because also he was doing, just coming out of Vikram and lead, not a villain bad guy typical gaadu gani, but he took a while to chase him down. I think that's full. That took a while. But that's what we don't plan. We can try to plan these things, but if they have to happen, they happen. And there's so many other characters also, like for example,
Yeah,
Mariam.
yeah.
Uh, I
Vijay
we
Devarkonda is
were
there. Dulquer, thanks to all them, all of them. I never thanked them. Oh, I shouldn't reveal. Oh, sorry.
ఇప్పుడు now it's now people will be happy to know that they're all there.
Oh, sorry. You should have told me before.
It's okay. It's okay. సగం మంది
Anyway,
ఆల్రెడీ
thanks for
కట్అవుట్లు
all the
పెట్టేసుకున్నారు.
superstars working in the film.
Yeah, now
I
ఇప్పుడు
think
the
Nagi.
confirmation is out. The confirmation is out, guys. So Vijay and Dulquer are graciously part of Kalki.
Thanks,
That is,
thanks to Vijay. Thanks to Dulquer. Like, really, thanks a lot. You made a
yeah,
film bigger.
yeah. So many people, yeah, definitely. And just the fact, even like that's what I'm saying. No, we had some two other people in mind for example, Mariam's character, and
Yeah.
literally 1 day before the shoot,
Shobana garu.
Shobna Garu, we just did one call. She was on it, and she was on set the next day.
Yeah.
And she's
And
everyone's favorite. Like
she's
if you ask any of the ADs or costume or anyone, everyone's favorite is Shobna. She's so natural
she's
and
so beautiful. She's
yeah,
still so beautiful.
beautiful, like so beautiful. Like just to see our Deepika and Shobna ma'am together was like one epic moment. Like
Yeah.
we have, I mean, like so many people. Like when she comes on to set, like we have our gaffer. I think he's a big fan of Shobna ma'am. So Zoran unnadu kada. So Shobna ma'am set me unte like suddenly like 2-3 extra lights and skimmers will come off. Like I can't. So you'll be like fully like trying to explain everything to her properly. So many fans here.
Okay.
So how was it like for you to work with a team of almost everybody newcomer? Was it okay? Did it frustrate you? Were you excited?
No, I like to work with new people, but I did so mostly the directors should take all that, and you like that fresh minds. Yeah, for me,
Yeah.
little, it's there, but we are used to it because
Yeah.
actors and all. Anyway, a lot of people will take care, so I'm fine.
Yeah.
Maybe it
Yeah.
was hard for the Bollywood because they're super well planned. I don't know, but for me
Yeah.
it was fine.
Yeah. What is your favorite vehicle in the film? Anni చూస్తా.
Bujji, ఇంకేముంటది?
Bujji.
Bujji is the favorite. And I like auto. You made a futuristic auto.
The
That
auto is
also I love.
good.
It's very cute and many vehicles, all the vehicles, cars, bikes. I think everything that Raya
Yeah.
coming like flying. It's in the trailer also. That shot. It's
Yeah.
from the handle
That
to
is
bike and all. It's sexy shot. So
yeah. That
yeah,
that
many
scene is
visuals, but
good.
Bujji, Bujji is too cute.
Bujji is too cool, no? Yeah. That second half, Kyra thing, that bike and all, it looks so good right now. Actually, I think
Yeah,
second
yeah.
half is going to be just so much action and it's
Yeah,
just running
second
the
half,
whole
whole
film.
second half is
You know,
action, I think.
running,
Yeah,
just amazing. Something
yeah,
or the other is happening.
yeah. I think
Yeah,
the whole second half, 80% is action, I feel.
yeah. Hey, ఇప్పుడే చెప్పేస్తా ఫ్యాన్స్ అండ్ ఎనీబడి హూఎవర్ ముందే that Bhairava is going to be coming into the film at the 20th minute or something. So
Okay.
don't be ready.
Yeah, because the story is
It's a
big.
late
We need to, yes.
కొంచెం లేట్ ఎంట్రీ లాగా అనిపించచ్చు 20 or 22nd minute ఇప్పుడు గో ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫర్ దట్ బట్ వన్స్ దట్ ఎంట్రీ కమ్స్ ఐ మీన్ అష్యూర్ యూ అదంతా చెప్పలేను కానీ బట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వన్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ బెస్ట్ ఎంట్రీస్ ever that I would love. I will scream. I'm not even a screaming in theater type fellow, but I will shout when I see that entry. Good.
Nice.
సో కొంచెం లేట్ అవుతుంది 22 minutes. చాలా క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు, కథ ఉంది.
Yeah.
సో సెట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక 22nd minute లో వస్తాడు
But
భైరవ
I
బుజ్జితో
think they
పాటు.
like the film style. Now I won't reveal anything because I don't know.
యా ఇప్పుడు Yeah,
But yeah, I think they'll get excited with the opening of the film.
they will. I think so. I hope so too. Yeah. Start world building అంతా సెట్ చేసుకొని by the time you come, I think people you'll go home with భైరవ. I think ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు ఏంటి ఎవరు ఆ లెక్కలు కాకుండా వాట్ క్లారిటీ ఐ ఫీల్ ఇస్ యూ గో హోమ్ విత్ భైరవ బీయింగ్ ద మోస్ట్ లవ్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇన్ ద ఫిల్మ్. Like though we have everyone else
Yes,
in this, one rainbow of star cast is there.
yeah.
అంటే మీరు వెరీ కైండ్లీ సెడ్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అని, బట్ ఇట్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ మై ఫేవరెట్ క్యారెక్టర్
No, it's
written
my
because
favorite, I feel. Bahubali is
because
very different, but this, so many shades. Yeah, I think this is going to be my favorite, maybe.
because for me, like as a kid, like ఇప్పుడు నేను అంటే మన ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎప్పుడన్నా దే లవ్ యూ, and family audience will love you. Everyone will. Mirchilo they love you here. Bahubali they love you here. Some people will like Bujjigadu. Some people will like Chhatrapati. All of that is there. All your characters are there. But for me, as a kid, like as a 10-year-old or 12-year-old, if I go and I'm in love with Bhairava, for me that is what I wanted. I want to love you as a child, basically. That means I love you
I
forever.
think
If
kids
I love you, if I
like,
love you as a child, I love you forever, basically. So
yeah,
that's for me. Bhairava is that he's so much so innocent in a way, and he's still a superhero, and he's a mix of everything. He's the audience. He's like ఇప్పుడు పెద్ద ఫిలాసఫీలు పెట్టి మాట్లాడి కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు మనకెందుకురా అనే క్యారెక్టర్ ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకురా కోసం దట్స్ ద ఆడియన్స్, దట్స్ a real person కదా.
yeah,
So
yeah. And it's
that's
very
the real
interesting
thing.
the way you like. It's a superhero, funny.
Yeah. And still childlike and still innocent, like so it's so it's fun.
Characters, so many shades. It's very, very
Yeah.
hard, I feel. That's why I think this might be my all-time favorite, maybe from now after tomorrow.
After tomorrow, hopefully, yeah. And so well, I mean, random అంటే ఇప్పుడు సంతోష్ ఉన్నాడు కదా, సంతోష్ is watching RR, and he's just randomly he's done so well, man. He's done such a good job. He never does like this before కదా అంటున్నాడు, because సంతోష్ fully Tamil. He's
Yeah,
only done Tamil films కదా, so for him he only knows you from Bahubali or something,
yeah,
and
yeah.
he's like what, he's never done like this, huh? How did he agree to do like so happy, such a light-hearted fun character?
Yeah.
And he's so excited. He loved your dubbing. I remember even Deepika said that, like
Okay.
in one of the narrations.
Yeah.
On the first narration, she said, "Oh my God, like you're fully like just having a ball with this character. I thought you'll have more pressure because you're having so much fun with this character. I thought you'll be pressure because Bahubali and Sao and
He's
huge
the funny.
action movies."
He's the funny guy in the whole film.
Yeah, he's so much like the audience, guy.